Yo, guys, man, the time is here. The time is now. The next sneaker we could potentially be seeing a shock drop over on the Nike SNKRS app. I got all the rundown, the 411 for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys pull up to the videos, man. It means so much. And over the last couple of days, man, I've really been appreciating all the support you guys have been showing, dropping mad comments. And so I still respond to comments from like a week ago. That's how crazy I've been going down below in the comment section. I do appreciate that. That keeps me motivated. I love seeing what you guys got to say about certain topics, certain sneakers and stuff like that. And with being one of the hypest sneakers out of nowhere, the Air Jordan 8 playoffs, who would have expected those to do what they did? I still have people watching the video, commenting on the recap video about the playoff 8s. And a lot of people are still trying to find a pair of Air Jordan 8 playoffs. And I told y'all, just hold off a little bit, wait till people get their pairs this week from SNKRS app, and then see where the prices go as far as, you know, the resale value. You might get some for right around retail, depending on, you know, how the resale is looking when people get their pairs in. But if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop. And please do a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And of course, drop them comments down below. Let me know what you want to see next as far as shock drops, exclusive access, restocks, and all that good stuff, man. All right, guys, so if you go ahead and pull over, you know what I'm saying, pull up the Nike SNKRS app, you're going to see a couple of things on your home page. Let's go ahead and do it together. See the Air Jordan 6 Aquas, which I'm cool on them all the way. I don't like them at all. I feel like they messed up the Aqua name. You should just give us the Aqua 8s. That would have been perfect for this year, but you keep going all the way down, and then you're going to get to a point where it shows a pole over the Air Jordan 1 satin bread. You're going to see a pole where they're showing the Air Jordan 1 satin breads, and they say if they drop them early, what are you going to do? And that would, you know what I'm saying, sparked a lot of buzz, sparked a whole conversation about what we will be potentially seeing next. I thought it was going to be the Air Jordan 12 cherries, which I'm still hearing rumors about. I think it's going to be happening here within the next week or so. But it seems like we're going to be getting the satin breads before we get the cherry shock drop. So here we have it. This is the patent bread Air Jordan 1s. That's why I kind of told you guys I'm not too big on the Air Jordan 1 satins, because I do have the patents. And the satins did drop back in the day, and I had the opportunity to snag them, and I passed on them. I was like, bro, I want the real things. I want the real breads from 2016. That crazy plush leather quality, all that good stuff I wanted. And I passed on that first satin release. And I think the resale was like super high. And then now you come all the way to 2023. I think you get the same exact hits. It's another satin bread, and they're going for way less than, you know what I'm saying, what that 2014 or 2016 pair. I forget when they dropped, maybe 2020 actually. It was some time ago when we got the last satin breads, but they dropped these joints back in 2021, if I'm not mistaken. You guys can correct me down below in the comment section if I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? Got the nice little hang tag right here. Hopefully that focuses, man. Got the nice little Jumpman all red metallic, and they gave us in that patent thing, bro, all over patent. As you guys can see, I have not worn these at all, so I don't see myself even, you know, going too crazy about rocking the satins, but you never know. I could fall in love with the satin breads. I love the material. I used to have the satin black toes, end up selling them, and now the resale is pretty low. And I don't know if you guys seen on IG, I'm still trying to look for a pair size 9, which is a 10.5 women. You gotta hit your boy up in the comment section. But the Air Jordan 1 satin breads is the next talk. We could be seeing this here within a couple of days, man. You just never know with Nike. They've been doing stuff sporadically, dropping stuff here and there, throwing exclusive access up, throwing shock drops, and then still turn around doing maybe even the stinger passes for some of these releases, man. So it's a lot of stuff going on. I thought that, you know what I'm saying, sneakers kind of over with after the playoff 8 drop. We still got the satin breads. We still have the cherry 12s. There's a couple other heat releases that we do have for the remainder of 2023. You guys always ask me, man, where is the shock drop going to happen? The Nike SNKRS app. At this point, you guys should know we're talking about the Nike SNKRS app that we will be potentially seeing this shock drop on, along with the Air Jordan 12 cherries. Those probably gonna be my last 2 picks of the year. You guys know I do have the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Go ahead and check these things out real quick. Air Jordan 11 Retro, and I told you I'm not too big on these, bro. Honestly, not too big on these joints. They're not a bad sneaker. I just have the Concords. I wanted the DMP 11s to come out, and they gave us these gratitude things. I know it's kind of similar, but it's a lot of differences if you have seen the DMP 11s in hand. Still a beautiful, beautiful sneaker. But for me, man, not too crazy on them. They're not trash, don't get me wrong, but I have a Concords. I know y'all probably like, but the DMP 11s are just like the Concords too. But it's just different, bro. It's just different, man. I want the DMP 6s to go with the DMP 11s. I really wasn't too big on these gratitude things, even though they are super, super clean, man. Just got a Concords already, man. Where the hang tag at? Where that box set for the DMP 11s? We didn't get none of that for these gratitude Air Jordan 11s. Now, I want to flip the camera around real quick just so I can, you know what I'm saying, get another little look at these. Am I tripping, bro? Am I the only one that's not all there, or like not all with the Air Jordan 11 gratitudes, bro? Like, I feel like I'm the only one. I go up on YouTube, keep kind of downplaying these things, but these might turn around and be another playoff 8. You know what I'm saying? The gratitude 11s can be another playoff 8 to where they super hyped up. People just want them out of nowhere. And of course, it's around Christmas time frame, so they might not be as easy to get as we think. You know what I'm saying? So please don't let me sway y'all mind or sway y'all opinion over the sneaker. It's just me, the way I feel about them. I already got the Concords, as y'all can see up there. And so, you know, they gave us a gratitude, but I really wanted that DMP, bro. The hang tag, the box, the whole, you know, everything about the DMP 11s. Something I've been wanting for years. So like I said, man, please don't let me persuade y'all a different way. If y'all like them, bro, drop a comment, drop a fire emoji. And yeah, I want to see who are rocking with these things. Y'all know me, y'all know my stance. I ain't all there for them. But if you love them, please let me know down below in the comment section. So yeah, guys, make sure you stay tuned by following me over on Twitter, which is always linked down below. I do have a broadcast channel over on IG as well. You guys can go join that. Every time I get some information about a shop, drop, or restock, or anything, I drop it over there. I drop it on Twitter. We come up on YouTube and talk about it. I try to spread as much, you know what I'm saying, information all across all platforms as I can to help you guys out, because nobody likes paying resale. Everybody likes to get something early. If they can get it for early for retail, that's a win-win situation, man. So make sure you guys follow me over on Twitter, IG, all that good stuff, so you don't miss out on any information. When we get more details about this shock drop over the Air Jordan 1 satin breads or the Air Jordan 12 cherries, of course, I'm gonna be up on YouTube chopping up with you guys, let you guys know everything, the full breakdown of what's happening. So if you guys do not want to miss that, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure you hit the notification bell for your boys, so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. Go ahead and drop some comments down below, leave a huge like. And with all that being said, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.